week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about how to paint small parts. If you have small part like this steering wheel, for example, well, I use something that I found in a dollar store. You can find it in a hardware store as well. They call them they actually for the electrical parts, and you put a wire in something, but they're perfect to hold little parts. So what I do is about, like, I don't know, 20 for, I don't know, $3 or something like this. Next thing, I went to my Chinese restaurant around the corner, and he has delicious food, by the way, and he has chopsticks. And I used those chopsticks after I ate them. Not the chopsticks, but the food. And all I do is just stick them in. You might can even glue them, but they hold really fine if you just push them in. And that's all there is to it. And you have a couple of them, and that's how I paint my small parts. But this was the tip of this week.